Hi, I'm going to run through how a typical conversion optimization project can be structured and managed. I'm basing this on a case study of a project that I've recently worked on myself. I have been working with travel brands specializing in adventure travel, where the industry has been experiencing tougher trading times. This has meant longer look-to-book periods, with average order values down year on year. Hence, this tough market continues to be a barometer for how financially confident people are feeling. The brand I worked with sell exploration holidays with an emphasis on off-the-beaten-track experiences. Its overall performance included approximately 200,000 visitors a month, driven by a natural search, PPC, and a robust retargeting strategy. There were concerns that the site was not performing at optimal levels, especially in the booking process, and that revenue was not as strong as it could be. To unpack this, the project can begin to look something like this. Firstly, an expert review based on a user searching for and booking a holiday in that session. Usability testing that can be conducted face-to-face or via a service like whatusersdo.com. This service is fast, cost efficient, and produces actionable results. Design iteration, wireframing with Ifraz as it allows rapid prototyping with dynamic interactions followed by design. A/B testing using Visual Website Optimizer, and finally maintaining the successful variant in the live environment. For the expert review, this core customer journey was used as a basis to the review, and so there was detail around all of these touch points. For this presentation, I'll focus only on the booking process. The next slide is a section of the review examining step 1 of the booking process. Here we see a screenshot of step 1 alongside all the issues highlighted, such as the input fields scattered across the page, forcing continual left to right gaze fixations. Marketing needs that have been prioritized within the booking process and made compulsory, placing an unnecessary burden on users at the point of transaction. The data captured will be unreliable as users will tend to choose the first option in the drop-down menu. And forced opt-in, which is never a sound approach. We have to assume that users do not want to join the mailing list unless they specifically request to do so. For usability testing, the first thing to consider are the user profiles. Here we'll assume that there are two main user groups: the core customer, who is young, aged 18 to 35 years old, and prefers an active holiday that may involve cycling or trekking across country, and families with children aged over 12 years old, who are another important customer base. As mentioned, whatusersdo.com was chosen for usability testing, and a discussion guide compiled that basically asked participants to go to the site and book a holiday. Let's have a look at a short clip of edited output from the usability sessions. Some of this next section of video has been masked to ensure client confidentiality.
Using the fact that the book now button appeared to be sort of greyed out. I press tab, and annoyingly it's gone onto this question mark, which is no good. So tab, question mark, tab again, then I'm over to my surname. It's annoying that I've got to opt out of these.
Issues were recorded and documented alongside prioritized recommendations that included creating a less cluttered form, vertically aligning it, demoting marketing data capture, and establishing an opt-in mechanism, clarifying the forward route at each stage, providing a clear booking summary, streamlining the insurance choices, bringing payment and 3D secure forms in line to avoid visibly forwarding users to third-party payment gateways, providing useful help information and contextual error messages that actually help your users recover from errors. Ifraz was used to create an interactive prototype based on these recommendations. This was then tested and built for A/B testing in Visual Website Optimizer. Let's have a look at the variations. There were a number of changes made on each page of the booking process, and so the A/B test was the old versus the new page, control being the old page and variation 1 being the new page. Visual Website Optimizer was used with the following core parameters. I split all of the visitors evenly between the control and the variation during the test. The conversion goal associated with the test was completing a booking. Let's have a look at the results. What we see here is that the variation has beaten the control by about 3%. This equates to just over 40% increase in the actual conversion rate, or an additional £400,000 averaged over 12 months. The first thing to do is to ensure that the conversion funnel is being tracked. This can be done using either Google Analytics or Omniture's Site Catalyst. Google Analytics uses goals and funnels, whereas Site Catalyst uses product conversion funnel to visualize how effective the different stages are within any conversion path. Tracking of these highlights points where traffic leaks out of the path that can be followed by usability testing to ascertain what the issues are and how to fix them. This leads into designing those fixes and then A/B testing before go live. The process needs to be iterative to ensure competitive edge. Thank you very much.